When you see a red light blinking on your Samsung TV remote, it indicates a connection or communication problem between the remote and your TV. This problem can stem from several factors: weak batteries, pairing problems, obstructions blocking the signal, or a malfunctioning remote or TV. First, replace the batteries with fresh ones and ensure they are correctly inserted. Clean the battery compartment if it appears dirty. Next, ensure there is a clear line of sight between the remote and TV. Remove any objects that might be blocking the infrared sensor. Clean the remote's infrared emitter and buttons using a microfiber cloth or cotton swab to remove any dirt or debris that might interfere with the signal. If you have a smart remote that uses Bluetooth, try repairing it with your TV. Press and hold the return and play pause buttons simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds. For some models, you may need to hold return and enter for 10 seconds instead. Finally, power cycle your TV by unplugging it from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This can resolve communication issues between the remote and TV. If basic troubleshooting hasn't resolved your Samsung remote issue, we can perform more advanced diagnostics. First, test whether your remote is actually sending an infrared signal. If you don't see any light through your camera when pressing buttons, your remote's infrared emitter is likely faulty and needs replacement. Next, check for stuck buttons that might be preventing proper function. Press each button firmly several times to dislodge any debris. Also ensure your Samsung TV software is up to date. As an alternative solution, you can use your smartphone as a remote control. The Samsung SmartThings app provides full TV control functionality and works over your Wi-Fi network. If all previous solutions fail, you can perform a factory reset as a last resort. This will erase all your personalized settings, so use it only when necessary. If problems persist, contact Samsung support for professional assistance.